Hi, this is Kylie Coo. Welcome to my studio, and I'm so excited to let you know that I am a guest teacher on the One Badass Art Journal 2025. This is my second year of teaching with the One Badass Art Journal. And in a moment I'll be telling you about my giveaway for this year. So what is One Badass Art Journal 2025? Well, it's an online class and there's an opportunity to join a great community. Your host is the wonderful Tiare Smith. There's 15 amazing instructors, including yours truly, 17 badass lessons, which includes a lesson on how to make your badass book, lots of tools, tips and inspiration. And it's all about giving you the inspiration to create, to learn, to feel confident, everything that you need to feel badass every time that you sit down to make your art. And it's all based around the theme of Discover Your Inner Badass. So when and how can you get involved? Well, registration opens on December the 1st, 2024, and the fun will begin on February the 3rd, 2025. And if you check the More box, the description box down below, you'll get my personal code. If you click on that now, it will actually take you to the site and you can read more about it. So now to my giveaway. You have the chance to enter to get a free spot for my giveaway. All you have to do is leave a comment below, just say that you want to be entered for the giveaway. Now you need to leave your comment no later than 8 AM GMT, so that's Scottish time, and it's on November the 30th. That's St Andrew's Day as it happens here in Scotland. That's, I think, 3 AM US Eastern Time on November the 30th, and I think around about 4 PM in Australia. Of course, it all depends where you are in the world. So please do get your entry in early. I'll pin a comment with the winner and against their name. So on this particular video, I will pin a comment saying who the winner is, and against their comment, I will also reply to say that they're the winner. But I will need that response by no later than 8 PM that same day, so just a few hours later, because I need to pass the details on to Tiare, and she will then let you know how to claim your free seat. Unfortunately, if the winner doesn't reply within that tight window, then I'll need to give it away to someone else. Now, there is a chance to enter for 2 bonus entries. All you need to do is click on my personal code in the description box below. You just sometimes have to click the More button. Use that link and that will take you to the main Badass site, and there you'll see how to enter for one of those 2 bonus entry spots. So I will be putting some reminders out just to say make sure you've entered for my giveaway and make sure you've entered for the bonus spots. So watch out for videos and updates on my community page. So if you've not already, do subscribe and hit the bell. So good luck to everyone that enters for my giveaway or for the bonus spots, and I'll be bringing you more news very soon. Take care everyone, love and peace, bye for now.